Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Dropbox desktop app for Mac, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser on your Mac. Type Dropbox download into the search bar and press enter. Click on the official Dropbox link in the search results. On the Dropbox homepage, look for the download button. Click on the download button to begin downloading the Dropbox desktop app. The download should start automatically, and you will see the Dropbox installer file in your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Locate the file named dropboxinstaller.dmg. Double-click on the dropboxinstaller.dmg file to open it. A new window will appear showing the Dropbox icon. Drag the Dropbox icon into your Applications folder. This action will copy Dropbox into your applications. Once the copying process is complete, you can close the window. Open your Applications folder and find the Dropbox app. Double-click on the Dropbox app icon to launch it. The Dropbox setup window will open, prompting you to sign in or create an account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you are new to Dropbox, select the option to create an account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process. After signing in, Dropbox will begin syncing your files. You are now ready to use Dropbox on your Mac. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.